Most people see a snack, I see a multi-million-dollar landmark. Believe it or not, this orange nature's perfect geometry is the blueprint for the most striking commercial hub on this intersection. We're taking 300 square meters of prime real estate and transforming it into an architectural masterpiece. From the fruit bowl to the final build, this is the evolution of Eco Home. Let's break it down. Location is everything, but a prime corner lot demands a design that stops traffic. While most developers build boxes, we chose organic architecture that breathes. By slicing the orange concept into fluid, arched segments, we've maximized every inch of this floor plan. In the luxury real estate market, value is defined by light and flow. Notice how these glass panels mimic fruit segments, creating a rhythmic facade that invites the city inside. It's bold, it's iconic, and it's engineered to be the most Instagrammable building in the district. Now let's get our hands dirty. Transitioning from a 3D render to a tight urban site is where surgical engineering kicks in. Since we're at a high-traffic intersection, we're using zero-clearance construction. We're pouring a heavy-duty reinforced foundation designed to anchor those massive custom curved glass spans. Every degree of that curvature was double-checked against our digital twin to ensure the steel skeleton fits like a glove. On an Eco Home site, there's no room for guesswork, only precision engineering. Creativity is nothing without structural integrity. Our crew operates under a gold standard safety culture, fully compliant with elite international protocols. But here's the secret sauce. We're using AI-driven modeling to laser cut every custom steel rib you see here. This is the perfect blend of manual grit and digital precision. It allows us to bring a high-end luxury home aesthetic into a heavy-duty commercial space. We're not just building, we're innovating with AI architecture. The result? The Eco Home. Vision in full glory, a landmark that doesn't just sit on the corner, it defines it. It's more than a shopping center. It's a living piece of art. This is how we redefine modern commercial architecture. If you're ready to turn your wild idea into a luxury reality, you know what to do. Smash that subscribe button, hit the like, and let me know what should we draw inspiration from next. I'm reading every comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next build.